Yo! It's Chriso from Down Under. Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. Just turning the camera around. Rightio. Now, I've done all the silicone and taping up of my shower. Outside the shower, I don't have to use tape. Look at that, there's a hole there, but that's cool, I'll fill that in a minute. I don't use tape. Then the shower is the most important, I consider, of the whole waterproofing. Oh, there's a kookaburra. That's my ringtone on my phone. Anyway, so I'm just about to start. Let's get started and we'll go through the waterproofing process. Like always, I like to brush it on the joints, and then the main part I roll. I always like to brush the floor in. The people that are watching, how is the weather where you live? Where I live on the Gold Coast, Australia, it is absolutely beautiful. Today we're hitting a high of about 26. The humidity has gone. Now it's a beautiful time right till like our winters are beautiful. So it'll start getting hot and heaps of humidity and that sort of thing next January, February. I've got my sister and brother-in-law coming over to visit about halfway through February next year from England. They will cook. That's they're dodging their shitty winter and coming over to New Zealand and Australia, and they will absolute cook. But hey, there's always air conditioning, so we'll have a great time anyway. I haven't seen my sister for nearly 3 years because of this carry on with COVID and that sort of thing. But they're coming over. She hasn't seen her newborn grandchild, Percy, and he's nearly 3. Well, when they come over to New Zealand, he'll be nearly 3, I think, nearly 3 years old. So that's a bit sad. I feel for them. It'll be an emotional time, major. Anyway, getting back to this brain surgery of waterproofing. The process is always, I always do the same, but it's just something that once you got it right, you're home and hose. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be around for a long time, and hopefully I can teach you everything I know. I'm a professional tiler of 35 years. Love it and proud of it. Don't worry about brush marks. Just get it on and don't leave any holes. That's the key. With the ensuite that I did for them, it's only a 4 metre bathroom, 4 square metres on the floor. But now that I've tiled it and we've done it in such a way, it looks way bigger. They are so happy. And I do get a buzz out of making people happy with what I do. It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. Look at that. Ah. I won't tile a bathroom if the owners have done the waterproofing. I refuse to do the job. But a DIY, and you've seen my video, well then, or a few times, if you're anything like me, I've got to watch something more than once. But once I've got it, I've got it. But I had to be a tiler because I'm no singer. I enjoy singing. I enjoy tiling and I enjoy singing, but I can't sing. So I'm a tiler. See how I'm brushing everything in, and then I'll just roll it. See, this shower, they could sell this house to anyone that is in a wheelchair, because this shower, it's not a bad size. It could be used, anyone in a wheelchair. But yeah, this house is only 7 or 8 years old. The owners have just bought it and they're doing up the shower to how they, the both bathrooms, how they want it. A lot of my jobs are ensuite and bathroom. I do one and then come back and do the other once the first one is up and running. When you're waterproofing, you always pay particular attention to your corners. That's where I reckon leaks occur.